No? It sends us, to code architects, a string. It's optional, of course. And if I click yes, it goes to the website and produces a textual report that guides you to the resolution of those problems. And this report varies depending on which. It's a bit like it guides you to through the documentation so that you can easily find what the problem, what the error message stands for, what is the best pragma or the best solution strategy, and so forth. It's built for you, or just for you, real time. No, and this is the migrating application. Now let's load I don't want to get confused. No. Okay, let's load these inside the Visual Studio. It asks for the folder, the destination folder. I say, okay, I did this demo yesterday, so the output folder already exists. You want to overwrite? Yes. It's overwriting, it's writing the files, and it is loading now the code inside the Visual Studio. So we have 12 compilation errors, which means about one error every 700 lines of code, 800 lines of code, which is not bad. Okay, but look at this. All the problems are caused by that data report. Remember, I told you that this code uses data report. We don't support it. The VB migration partner doesn't know how to solve this, and therefore it's signaled as an error. Okay, now we have to take a shortcut just because this is a demo. And the shortcut is, for now, I want to migrate this application without any printing report. Okay? So I'm cheating a little. The final VB.NET application won't support reporting. It's just temporary because it's a demonstration. Okay. Later, probably you will use Crystal Report or Data Report, whatever you use in your company to create a better-looking report. Now we want to look at this. We want to get rid of these compilation errors. What should I do? This is one solution. No? I know that I'm going to take care of the reports later, but for now, let's comment them out. I'm doing the wrong thing because I am changing the VB.NET code. I don't want to do that because the next time I migrate, I don't want to go through this process. How can I do that? We have a pragma. So let's go back to VB6, excuse me. Okay, let's say that we are in VB6. This is the pragma we need. Basically, this pragma it uses a regular expression. I don't know if you are familiar, or how many of you are familiar with regular expression, but basically, this is a sort of automatic search and replace. I am scheduling a post process. Can you read, or should I augment the form? Okay. Conceptually, I am scheduling a post-process global search and replace. So, project column means this is global for the entire code. Post-process is the name of the pragma, and these are the arguments. In this case, I need to have two arguments. One is the string I am searching for, data report followed by either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, which are the 6 objects found in as compilation errors. And this is, I want to prefix those lines with unsupported, so that not only they are remarked out, but I also see unsupported. I mean, I have some say placeholder keyword so that I can later find these places. Okay, so now let's activate this pragma. So I'm thinking no one apostrophe, so that now the pragma is working. It will be recognized as a pragma. Just to give you an idea, these pragmas, where is it? Okay. It's MDI form 1. So in the MDI form 1 source code, you see those pragmas were not recognized as pragmas. That's why I see the comments here, because they had no special meaning to the migrator, and he thought they were just regular comments, and now they are in the target code. Okay, now we have changed this. We can save. We reload the VB6. We remigrate it. We close this guy here. I'm going through all the steps in a real application. It will take more, of course, but conceptually, these are the steps we are going to take. And let's load the Visual Studio. Okay, no more compilation errors. And the reason is all of them have been automatically, okay, there we are. All of them have been automatically commented out. No? Cool.
Can I use, instead of data report 1, 2, 3, 4, because not all programmers using data report 1, 2, some of them...
yeah, sure. It's a regular expression. I'll show you. Okay. The question is good. Just imagine I can write this. Oh, let's use copy and paste. This is why we use a regular expression. Regular expression has, in my opinion, they are the most neglected great features of .NET framework.
No, let's if I don't know all the keywords, all the words that use for data reports, can the
okay, I see what you mean.
For the object data reports and replace not the string.
This is something that's not right in the project, but let me think. You can do that by writing more code. You need an extender in this case. The simple pragma is not enough. But you see the point is if the data reports, just to explain to others, if the data report is called A1 and B3 or whatever, regular expressions are always enough powerful to take care of that. But I also want to, I mean, the question is interesting, and I never thought of it, honestly.
Yeah, to look for the object and not for the string.
We can do that in some cases, but in practice, while conceptually it's very interesting, in practice it's easier. I mean, once you see the compilation errors, you find the names of the offending objects. So in practice,
the parser maybe can look for the declaration.
No. I'm not saying that it's not possible. I'm saying that it's not supported so far, and that in practice is not a big problem. But it's interesting, actually. Yes. Okay, so we have achieved a piece of code that now at least runs, but we will see what happens here. It's something is not working as it should. You see what's happening here? Very simple thing. The converted code doesn't have any database to work with. The database is supposed to be in the output folder. And so what would you do with a traditional approach? You would go to Windows Explorer, take the file, move that there. Very easy. This is not the right approach with us, but again, we have a pragma that does, we have one pragma for everything. And in this case, the pragmas that we need, the pragma that we need is called add data file. So we want to, just a moment, let me Yeah, look at this. This is the actual folder. We need to move two things, the master file MDB database and this directory, because this directory contains the possibility